Ways to online earning in Pakistan without investment. You can earn money by selling products on e-commerce websites. If you want to earn money online in Pakistan, you can also consider freelancing, data entry jobs, and influencer marketing. Ways to online earning in Pakistan without investment. How to earn money in Pakistan. However, a step-by-step guide on how to earn online money in Pakistan. Below are some ways that how you can earn money in Pakistan. 1. Selling on e-commerce sites. If you're interested in making money online in Pakistan, you will find that there are many ways to do it. E-commerce is one of those opportunities. Also, you can make a lot of money with just a few products, and Pakistan's e-commerce market has the potential to reach over $3 billion. However, Pakistan has been late to the game. While the total e-commerce market size hasn't reached even $600 million yet, there's still a lot of untapped potentials. 2. Freelancing. There are a lot of people in Pakistan working as freelancers and generating revenue online on different earning platforms. So, in the current global recession, millions of people have been unemployed and are looking for alternative ways to earn money. Freelancing is a lucrative option and can help you earn money while sitting at home. Unlike the 9-to-5 jobs, freelancers can earn money by working on specific projects or delivering services. This job is without any investment. However, below are the 7 best online earning websites in Pakistan for 2022. You can also visit top freelancing websites as well. People per hour. Freelancer. 99 Design. Upwork. Three. Data entry jobs. You don't have to have a college degree or a business degree to earn cash by doing data entry online, because you just need to have a computer, a fast internet connection, and the ability to type accurately and efficiently. If you have ever wanted to work from home but didn't have the time to learn the necessary software, you can find an online data entry job. These jobs require accurate typing skills, and you can work from anywhere in the world. 4. Influencer marketing. In recent years, the number of people earning money online through influencer marketing has soared in Pakistan. The rise of social media has fueled a growing interest in branded content, with advertisers shifting a large share of their media budgets to influencer marketing. 5. Blogging. Whether you're writing about a particular topic or simply looking for ways to improve your blog's content, there are many tips and tricks that will help you get started and make money from your blog. While this isn't an easy task, it is one of the most rewarding jobs you can do. 6. YouTube. You can likewise bring in cash online in Pakistan without financial planning by turning into a YouTuber. Everybody is familiar with YouTube. 7. Start teaching online. You bring in cash through your enthusiasm for perusing or educating. How can you make money online based on what you think and what interests you? So, the online earning sites are great for those enthusiastically educating and giving data through virtual entertainment and other web-based stages. 8. Article writing. Bringing in cash online can be accomplished by composing articles. Reading, writing and learning new things are good skills for those in this field.